Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
At first, we need a circle. Now, none this fill color. Pick up the stroke color, increase this stroke size. Now, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle perfectly. Now we take line segment tool, hold Alt plus Shift and draw the line. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Now, select all and go to Object, Expand. Again go to Object, Path, Offset Path and increase this size. Preview it, then OK. Now you check Shape Builder tool and cut unnecessary part. Now you check Line Segment tool and draw the line. Select all and take Shape Builder tool and cut unnecessary part.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.